Hello, good morning. Happy to be here. I'm the CEO of Raziel Therapeutics, an Israeli-based company, and I'm happy to be here and to present our progress in the last 2 years. So Raziel Therapeutics is a pharmaceutical company. We develop a new drug for fat reduction, and our vision is to provide best-in-class fat-reducing, body contouring aesthetic treatment. And we believe by achievement of the following items, we can present and take to the market a leader drug when it will be ready. So all our clinical development based on these 4 assumptions. One and done per each treatment area. We believe that by one treatment, by session, one session only, we can achieve a sufficient improvement, and we like to keep these assumptions. Second is superiority than other competing treatment in the market. We like to present a better efficacy of our drug, and shorter to visible improvement. We can present, since we are doing just one treatment, we can show after 2 months only improvement of our treatment. And last, minimal inconvenience and affordable cost to patients per of this session. So we believe that by achieving all of this achievement, we can bring to the market a lead drug. Our management is experienced management, many years of involvement of development of pharmaceutical drugs. I have more than 20 years experience. Our VP R&D came from Teva, one of the largest pharmaceutical company in Israel. He ran Bloomenfeld, and he has experience of leading a new drug from early stage to approval. Rachel Goeta, management of clinical trials, has many years of experience too. Our CMC came from Teva too. She lead all the injectable drug in Teva, many drugs, and she has a lot of experience in this area. Now we are in the scale-up process, very intensive process to go to phase 3 study. And the last is Dr. Patricia Walker that joined us a year ago as the CMO of the company. She has a lot of experience of development new drug, especially for fat reduction, and she follow up with us with all the clinical studies and all the strategy plans. So how it works? The mode of action of this drug is very simple. After injections of the drug directly to the fat tissue, there is a reduction of the membrane of the fat cells. After then, macrophages arrive to the area, clean the area from all the dead cells, take it out from the body, and instead of the fat cells come fibrotic tissue that cause shrinkage all over this area, and the results looks very good, and I will show it by pictures. And as I mentioned before, we see that one session only can present and show sufficient improvement. So clinical studies, we finalized phase 2A study during the epidemic period of time. As Dr. Dayan mentioned before, he was very pessimistic about the aesthetics market. We were very optimistic, and we worked with him and Dr. Brian Bisman on this study, and we did it in very, very difficult market condition in the epidemic time, but we finalized this study in short time. We did 2 groups, dose escalation, 20 patients, double-blind study, very, very low dose because it was the first time that we used our drug for submental. And I'm happy to present some picture of this study. So you can see these guys that got around 35 injections at 170 milligram. And you can see the baseline, and after 3 months follow-up, the reduction of the area, the treated area. You can see the shrinkage of the area and the effect, and this is after 3 months. And as I mentioned before, one session only. One more patients that participated in the phase 2A study, she got very, very low dose, 125 milligram means 25 injections, and you can see very good the reduction of the fat tissue. You can see in the right side the MRI picture, and you can see the shrinkage of all the fat cells after this treatment. So all of this, just one treatment, one session, and very, very low dose. This is summary of this study. We use 3 groups, placebo, low dose, and high dose. What is in green is the high dose, and you can see the reduction. 5 is no change, and 0, it's completely clear. So you can see we achieve almost a 3-grade reduction, almost to 2. It means almost clear, and you can see that it's really, really significant reduction by physician evaluation. Based on this study, we initiated phase 2b study, 151 patients divided to 3 groups, placebo, low dose, and high dose. And this study is ongoing. We are going to, it's of course double blind. We are going to open this study in the end of this month, and hopefully we will have positive results. I have some picture from this study. Of course, it's double blind. I don't know who get what, but you can see the effect. You can see this patient in baseline, and after 84 days, you can see the significant reduction in the submental, in the treated area. One more lady, you can see here again the effect. You can see the shrinkage, the reduction. And this is my favorite picture. You can see here the significant reduction in this patient, but you can see the effect in all the face. You can see the shrinkage of the area, all the skin on the face, and all her face looks different before and after. And I think it's very, very amazing achievement and results. And again, it's one-time treatment only, and this is after 3 months after the session. Now we are doing a flank study, double-blind study, 12 patients. We like to go to more area, a larger area than submental. We increase the dose, and this study now is ongoing, and we are looking to get the data in the end of June. This is another study that we did in lipomas. You can see the collapse of the lipoma in short time. After 2 weeks, it's gone. So we believe that we can use this drug for aesthetics. We work in therapeutics, area 2, like Dercum disease and other area, and we can believe that this drug can be useful for many, many potential indications. Thank you very much.